So these are by far the 3 best wallpaper apps that you can get on any Android phone because it's completely free and then you can download it from your Play Store. So basically what you want to do is simply open up your Play Store. The very first step on the list, we have an application called Backdrops, which is of course one of the most popular ones over here. So you can just go ahead and actually download the Backdrops wallpaper application. Now if in case you don't know, this application is also available on the iOS, so if you're trying to download it, you can do that as well. So make sure to download the Backdrops app. You can open it, you'll be able to see a list of all these amazing collections. You can see for AMOLED displays, for pastel wallpapers, or whatever else you prefer. You can apply either of these wallpapers and then apply them to your home screen. Now the second application on the list, we have the Wall-E application, which goes by the spelling of WALLI. So basically here you can see the Wall-E 4K SD application. This also covers a lot of amazing wallpapers in the process. You can apply them, you can download them, it's completely free, you don't have to pay anything, and it is also completely ad free. The final wallpapers on the list is we have an application called Lunar Wallpapers. Now this is the only paid application on the list. Now this video is not actually sponsored by Lunar Wallpapers or anything. I'm just downloading and showing this to you because this is actually a wonderful application. I personally paid for it myself. So if you want to download it, you can download. I'll make sure to drop a link below. You can go ahead and open it up and then you can download all this amazing wallpapers. Even the one you see on my home screen is from an app called Lunar Wallpapers. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.